Hey everyone, I haven't done a mail video in a while, and as you can see, I can't even get all of my mail into the view of the camera. So, time to open up some mail. Let's get cracking. Okay, I've tried not to dox myself by using these post-it notes. I'm not sure how well it's going to work. Okay, this says button 2. I don't know what button 2 means. Okay, these are not buttons. These are little wooden blocks, actually. I actually bought these for Flynn. I totally forgot I ordered them. He wants to use these for his arts and crafts. He wants to build like Minecrafty type shapes and be able to paint them. They're really cool. Okay, great. He'll be really excited to know that these are here. What's next? Okay, we have description of contents. Screw. Okay, well, screw you. Ooh, these are a whole bunch of M2.5 standoffs and screws. And these are for my Reflowmaster Pro to be able to support the screen onto the board because they're now being mounted on for both ends. Excellent. These are supposed to be nylon, but they're probably just plastic. Who knows? I'm never going to find out. But excellent. Great. Next we have electronic accessory 096. I don't know what that means. 10. Quantity 10. Okay. That is a lot of DC barrel jacks. So these are the ones that I use on my projects, and I'm using these on the Reflowmaster Pro. And these are the breadboard friendly ones. So the pins are quite small, and you can actually fit them into a breadboard quite nicely. So, yep, I don't think I'm going to run out of these in a hurry. I can't remember how many I ordered, but there's quite a few here. Next we have LCD modules. Ooh. They're kind of falling out the side, but these might look familiar. Great, not packaged very well. I'm not going to pull all these out right now, but these are my 80 by 160 little LCD modules. Lucky there's plastic on that. For my RGB display shields, IPS display shields for my Tiny Pico. Let's make sure these are actually the right ones, shall we? Let's get a little bit closer. So I need to make sure that the back of them are the same. And they are. As you can see, that's good. So obviously I checked the pictures before I ordered them, but you can't always guarantee that what you get is the same as what is on the pictures. So, fantastic. I have quite a few of these. I have a lot of boards to build. This feels quite bulky. This is connectors times 2. I think I might know what this is. Yes, oh cool. It's in a plastic bag, but the bag's open. So that's a bit silly. These are a pile of screw terminals. These are 5.08 mil. And they are supposed to connect to each other. How does that work? They don't really fit in. Maybe they've got a snap? No? Okay, that's pretty useless. Or do they slide in? Oh, right, maybe they slide into each other. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. They slide in. Are they straight? Not very straight. I think Brian had a similar issue with ones he got where when they were all connected together they weren't very straight. So once again, these are for Reflowmaster Pros. I now have way more screw terminals than I need, but I bought them from 4 different places to see which ones got here quicker. Now I have way too many. Okay, next we have spring test probes. Ooh, excellent. So these are the ones I use on my test jigs for my Tiny Pico. These are the conical head ones. You might be able to see just. They work really nicely with the pinholes for the Tiny Pico. And I'm going to need to build myself some test jigs for the Pro S2. And potentially some other things coming up. So I needed a whole lot more. And now I have a whole lot more, which is exciting. But there should be some receptacles for these that I bought. So let's leave those over here. Okay, this one has no description on it. So maybe No, that feels like, actually feels like an RF cable. Or maybe two RF cables. These are two RF cables, and these are not, they're flexible, but they don't stay in shape. I ordered these a long time ago when I was trying to work out which ones to buy. These are not the ones I want. These are also coated in plastic. Yeah, well, that was a bit of a bummer. The only advantage to this, maybe, for those of you that saw my VNA video the other day, is that if this is a similar length, which it looks like it is, even though the characteristics might be a bit different, then I might be able to use these to calibrate the VNA first, and then I can use this length for my reflection testing. Okay, so it might not be a complete loss. We'll have to see. Next, lucky last. Well, it didn't end up being as much mail as I thought it would be. It looked worse than it was. I'm not even going to read what this is. I know what these are. These are lots and lots and lots of TFT screens. Let's move aside. Let's open one up, shall we? So I bet you can't guess what these are for. 2.4 inch TFT screens. 2.4 inch SPI TFT module. ILI 9341. Touch yes. So all of these screens I've ordered now. They look quite different with the touch on them. They look kind of silvery instead of black. Okay, and so they come with a stylus, and they come with the touch filter already on it. You can see here that folds under and connects to it, and it's on top of the screen. And obviously it's got the IC at the back. So this is still the same as my current screens. And for my Reflow Masters and eventually my Reflow Master Pro, I don't know if I'm going to support, or the Reflow Master doesn't support touchscreens, that's fine. So even if I use these screens, they just will ship with a touch overlay on the top, but I won't do anything. With the Reflow Master Pro, I might at some stage look at hooking up the touch to see whether I can actually effectively allow touchscreen working. It might be a nice way to do graph plotting to design a reflow graph. I'm not sure, but we need to make sure that the pinout is the same. So let me go grab another screen and make sure that everything is okay. So here's one of the normal screens that I use. Slightly different color. They all come slightly different reds, but that's okay. So if I fold it over, so some of my screens have got the yellow and some of them have got the black, but they should all have the same pinout. So VCC, VCC, ground, CS, reset, DC, MOSI, clock, LED, MISO, and then all the touch. Excellent. So they should be fully compatible pinout wise, and it looks like size they're the same, which means all my screw holes will be the same. So I needed to open these because I need to build some more Reflow Masters today, and I'm out of screens, and now I'm not, because I can't remember how many I ordered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, just 10. 10 of these, and I think I've got one of these in stock. This is a faulty one, unfortunately. This has bands all over the screen. I got this one replaced a while ago. But I now have 11 screens in stock, which should keep me going for about, 2 weeks. I better order some more. Okay, that's it. That is my mail. It went much quicker than I thought it was going to go, which is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all my patrons. I've had quite a few join over the last week or so. Welcome to all of you. And until next time, I'll catch you all later. Bye.